me go to lesson number 5. Trenem Tingting Module 3, lesson 5. No must let go straight line. So I'm following good lesson 4, where we talk about the straight line. So hang him back again, or picture blow straight line more to flaara, blow add him up, leave him out. More now you may go lo one different side a little bit. So stampa blow lesson is tablo book. Suppose you hold him tight one thing where you know through. Time you read him talk blow God. My thing where you hold him, you make him, you go out blow straight line. More walk him out one last thing where you know straight. By you change him meaning blow talk blow God from thing where you know more you got. A good blow thing about the last module, last half blow course where you may got Yanu with them ting di blahem lo sai blow red popo. So emi holen tight some ting blow red popo where emi know through. Emi make him all assumption in all fact. After it go, it make him one action or last thing where you know straight to from all cranky thing, he push him blow follow one road where emi know straight one. So you say go back to him blow, remind him all get a law, all talk blow assumption more fact. But now by you may use one chapter law Bible, when me John chapter 9 story blow time where Jesus he heal him one blind man. Or you may say look law story ting blow all man will listen, all Pharisee more blind man him one. More you may look ting blow get that where only got one thing first time, make him say he block him or get a block, cast him straight meaning or straight talk where Jesus he tell him. So you may try and use some also one example, blow show mat say suppose you may got one thing where you know straight, you may think say straight, but might me know straight, but something I might block him you may block him straight meaning or blow talk where you mistable him. So you just go through the book, but you look where you got one or two verse, law chapter 9. You may cut them a little bit, so just read him one way stuff the book, you know, go law Bible. After you got one question. So all man blow Jesus, only hold him one him believe. Only believe say mania is sick from one him. So you may look thing the blow all man now. After you got answer blow him is tablo book. But also one him ting blow all mania is straight or no. You may look answer blow Jesus. Jesus is telling one him lol get that. Okay, so now if a question back again, Jesus he tell him say mania is blind from sin. Oh, all same one him. So Jesus he tell him straight answer now. Where it different, lo ting blow man. Okay. Next section, equal lo ting blow all Pharisee. Only got full up assumption ting. Only things say all belief all ting lo get the true, straight, but you know straight good too. So it block him all get blow cast him good one him where Jesus he tell him or meaning blow one him where him make him. So Jesus he tell him where him come out Lord God. From one him only things say Jesus him no come out Lord God. Him tell him say from where him make him walk law Sabbath day. So him one thing only hold him fast time, only got him only got thing fast time, hold him tight thing him one assumption where suppose one man he make him one walk or same law Sabbath, he no good more, he make him say ain't no possible Lord Jesus he come out Lord God. So only got him ting where? Ting blow get no more. Ting blow all man. Okay, move go to next page. Read him short passage where stop black. Read him back again. After I got one question back again. One another for ting he block him all get up only no looks of it or something way through. Okay, one another one now. We only no want to have him say Jesus and me one prophet. Make him say only no want to believe say I belong man. Yeah, he come good. Get one more back again. Where you read him after all Pharisee only got one in belief back again about Jesus. Only believe say Jesus and me make him sin. No, you miss always say emi no true. The all Pharisee you kadem ting ya only ting ya emi also one lens or one grid or one something where now only look through lohem ya or only no look through Jesus. Only look Jesus where only make him up with him ting blow geta. You miss always say Jesus emi never sin. Now you meet look ting where blind man ya I yusum blow walk him out say who ya Jesus. Manya emi no come with them one ting but hemi just look experience where hemi go through la hemi make him hemi look one where Jesus he make him hemi look miracle ya. After hemi walk him out say one man you know so we make him. So from something ya now hemi tell him say no Jesus emi God no more. Emi come out like God from emi just accept him one where Jesus he make him know him. Nothing where you may use some story bro look ting blow one man or different man. But no good you may forget them last ting yeah. So he got last ting suppose you look law verse 39. He look also me last ting yeah blow Jesus. They might you may add them up small, more tell him kind last thing Jesus he healing one blind man blow show mouth where or something where him he stop make him. He stop show mouth where him he come out like God, one big flash something we tell him. And suppose you know look savvy all same, you one blind man no more. Jesus he try and show lol geta where man where emi no blind, emi one man where emi look savvy we are Jesus. Try and look small picture where tell him think about one exercise back again or discussion. Try and think about one example where one man he got one strong thinking first time where him he know through the thinking yeah he block him blow learn him one him we talk blow God he tell him he could blow talk about long time little bit more especially go a little bit low side blow custom thinking. Suppose you got some custom thinking where you may hold him long time finish where might may affect him look blow you may look God character blow God they may all same one him miss same mark or same all spirit or something where you may save lo him or talk blow God he teach him you may want different something lo side blow tithe lo side blow yam festival or full of something where might you may carry something where you may think say true from everyone you think about you may learn in time you may begin and finish the talk block the tell him one different something but you may not have a look from where thinking yeah he fast not thinking blow you may he block him through talk okay time you may follow him thinking yeah where you may think say true but not true and by look blow you may he all same tell him lo book but by you may forget them some important thinking lo talk lo God from where you may fast too much lo thinking where you may think say it true but might true but by thinking blow you no more he block him straight meaning blow talk where you stop reading or number 3 but by thinking blow you no more he cover him up true talk yeah. Suppose you come with them one thinking, come lo reading, you hold him lo thinking below you, one thinking we think say true, but it no really true. And me thinking below man no more, or me thinking below too dark, or one him. But now you read him, he was him, we tell him before, he was him one something or same way. He block him you, blow look true talk blo God. So Yumi must cut them out kind thinking ya. Or let them talk blo God no more. I teach him Yumi. Cut them out class. Or same Yumi teach him last time, huh? Time Yumi talk about assumptions. Be blo Yumi no following thinking ya. Yumi must ask him some question lo Yumi all same. I think Yumi go through some last time. Be good blo think about again. Where Yumi question him think blo Yumi yeah. Yumi sabe say something where Yumi think say it true all same one him. So it think it come out where one him now something blo support him think blo Yumi where Yumi tell him say it true. Say blo prove him say it true. We just think where Yumi tell him every time from where Yumi never think about, Yumi never question him, or he got some example or something blo prove him say yes, me true. Or Yumi need him more information blo walk him out say something where Yumi think say it true, me true or he know true. Same time where man is sick, he got full of thinking where he come on top. And might something yeah, emi from where man ino ka kutfla save lo or the different kind sick or medicine after emi guess all about. But even him yeah, thinking blow man way sick or man way he dead, man he lose from one him or kind thinking yeah. He suppose you me hold him something where emi think blow man. Emi mix up now with them top God or top God meaning blow him more clear. Something yeah, not of a question is true all time fact or anything blow Yumi or blow one man no more. So emi blow my thinking where you got emi true, but emi all question blow test him. Say it true or it not true. Suppose one thinking where Yumi all him long time finish, it not true. Ale, you must cut him out or start back again. Number 5, you may think say something yeah, it true, but toplo God now it tell him one different something. Suppose you community it tell him say right lo money drong lo Christmas. Okay, you check him with him toplo God say to something he tell him say ma something or money different toplo money different toplo God is different. And number 16, Timblo, Yumi, he really left him up God true, or Yumi stop pulling down low level blow man no more. Might he got some custom thinking where he spoil him name blow God from where he left him up man, he beat him God. Or same where man he thinks say big fella thunder, emi one man he make him, or cyclone, emi walk blow one man, or big fella tide. One man, one clever or who ya, he make him. Now you look as him got him out power blow God now, you give him law one man, you know more creator, God way create him every something, you control him every something. But now you go to one different something. Same with them healing or planting earth or something too. And blow lesson 4 or 5. He give hand law man. I think you've law trainer you must think about all straight example where come out law life law you fla. Come out law custom thinking or come out law thinking law church or thinking law man or one where you fla look finish. Try and think about all example, more useful all example. Law only no things say me just one talk, but me straight law life law you me.